Hello guys, in this video I am going to demonstrate how we can create a stored procedure in MySQL database with parameters, and here I am going to use MySQL Workbench for that. And from this video series I am going to create the library management system project using Node.js. So this is the first video related to the library management system project, and in this video you will learn how we can insert the value for register, but right now this is only the database level, and in the next video I will talk about how you can call this procedure to insert the value. So let's move to MySQL Workbench. So here you can see I have already created the register table. So let me show you what are the things or what are the columns available in this table. So you can see I am right now created the 6 tables here, and ID is the primary key, and other tables or other columns are like email, mobile, password, is active, and insert datetime UTC. Okay, so is active is having the default value which is 1 and its data type is bit. That means it will only either be 1 or 0. And in the same way email ID is having the primary key constraint. Okay, so now let's see how we can create a table. So let me to create a stored procedure. Actually table is already created, so to create a stored procedure I need to click on stored procedure here, and here you can see the area option create a stored procedure. So I will click on it, and here I will put my procedure name what I want to create, and here I will pass the params with the data type. Okay, so here I have already written the procedure, so I will just copy it so that we can save the time. Okay, and here I will paste it. Okay, so you can see I am only sending the 3 parameters here, email, mobile, and the password, and here I will enter the query to insert the value. Okay, so let me zoom it a little bit. Okay, so that you can see, so here you can see this is the procedure. Okay, and let me click on apply here, and once I will click on apply, then it will show us the preview. Okay, and here I will again click the apply, and you can see SQL script was successfully applied to a database. That means the procedure is created now, and to check the procedure whether it is working or not, here is the query I have already written. So you can see here that this is the query to call the procedure. So I will select it and I will click on here to execute it, and you can see one row affected here, it is showing. So we can check it whether something is changed or any row is inserted or not. So to do that, just let me select this. So you can see here I have got the new value here. Okay, and let me again try again. Okay, and you can see again I got the second value. So like this you can create the stored procedure for your table. Okay, so this is the first part of video series to create a library management system project, and right now I am going to create it with the help of Node.js with TypeScript, Express, and for the database I am going to use the MySQL. So you can see this is the first table related to this project, and I have done creating it, and in the next video I am going to demonstrate about how we can call this procedure to insert the value into the database using the Node.js code. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.